Meghalaya police have apprehended 3 individuals linked to the circulation of demand notes and the suspected regrouping of the Garo National Liberation Army Gnla in the Garo Hills region. The arrested individuals, identified as Sil Sangke Marak, Jilja Sangma and Suresh Sangma, were taken into custody as part of the focus operation conducted by Meghalaya police. Notably, Sil Sangke Marak, a former militant wanted by Assam police, had previously undergone rehabilitation. Meanwhile, Deputy Inspector General of Police TAP Claudia A. Lingwa informed that the door is still open for peace talk with the prescribed Hnlc. With regards to the recent arrest of Hnlc cadre Strongy Lingwa said that Strongy, who was part of the peace talk, was involved in extortion. Maintaining that the arrest would not affect on the peace talk, she said if one commits a crime, the law will take its own course.
And on the 25th of February 2024, we have received one FIR in Calcutta PS, and based on the FIR which we received, we have conducted investigations, and so far, till date, we have arrested 3 people in this regard, and the names of those people are Singsan Kemara from Resubelpara, and he is 40 years of age. Then we have arrested Tilja Sangma from Adokre, he is 40 years of age. Then we have arrested Suresh Sangma from Adokre only. He is 32 years of age. As of now, investigation is going on, and we have seized mobile phones from their possessions which were used in the crime along with SIM cards. So as of now, investigation is going on. Sri Sengsan Kemara is an ex-militant group. He has been rehabilitated, and he is the main culprit in this case in North Garo Hills. He has been wanted in Assam police as well. Assam court has given NBWA against him, and we will be handing him over to Assam police as when the investigation is over in North Garo Hills.
The person had gone to Bangladesh, and that's also clearly understood. If he had wanted to surrender, he was always here in Shillong all the way. The police, the government was talking. So from our point of view, the going back to Bangladesh and coming back from Bangladesh here, what does that imply? And I leave it to your own understanding. No, as of now, that is the only information where he was also arrested. We are still continuing. Definitely investigation will still be continuing. We will not stop in that line. The peace talk will go one end, but if anybody commits a crime, then of course we have to take action against them.